So hopefully you can hear me over the noise of the laser. I'm only wanting to cut the 50 triangle logo out at the moment, and I've got this thin bit of MDF. I should be able to do that in one pass, so it shouldn't take too long. I actually don't know how this is actually going to turn out, but
let's go and make something.
We'll focus the lens. Oh, we're already focused. Speed at 100mm per minute, maximum power, and number of passes is 1. That should all go. The air assist on, we've got the fan going. Right. So, while the laser is doing its thing, I'm going to drop this down, and I think it's 315 I want. 315 by 315 square, which is about the size of an LP. Yep, we're finished. So now, because I've only got a diode laser and this is clear acrylic, it's not going to cut it that well. So what I'm going to do is we'll trace that out, hopefully. Is that going to fit in there? Okay. I now have to cut this bit out. So I've come up with an idea that I don't think is actually going to work, but using cellophane to put different colour, the different colours on the rainbow, and unfortunately some of the cellophane is so so close in colour. That's technically orange and that's yellow, that I might have to double some of them over, just going to make it even harder. Stick on that. To that. I'm making this part up as I go along. It's just, as I said, if this doesn't work, I have no clue what I'm going to do. I didn't expect to get that far. Okay, now what? So I'm just going to try and best I can line that up. It's 20 mil that way. No, it's actually not quite 20 mils, but 19 mil that way. 19, 19, 21, 21, comes down just to 1 mil. So I've got it pretty centered there, so what I'm going to do is just mark the corners. When I come to glue it on, we've got something to line up with. I'm only going to get one shot at this. Oh.